Well, guess what happened today? We're going to do an unboxing. This is my 24. This is the last car y'all saw me build. Sorry for the mess on my desk. I don't use it very often. This is going to be an unboxing. Because there's something special in this box. What is this? That's in a yellow box. What is this? Ooh. Something special. All right, let me get this box out of the box. I'm excited about this build. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing today. And then we've got a new racer that started racing recently at Extreme RC that hasn't built a car yet. So I'm going to do an unboxing today, and then we're going to do a build video using his help. There again, he's never built a car. He's running a ready to run right now. So I'm going to utilize his hands and his help, and we're going to build this bad boy over the next couple of days. He's not able to come up and help me today. My paints. And then we'll put this bad boy together utilizing some tried and true stuff that I'm using on my other car, such as my shock pistons and springs. The ones on my 24 will go on my 25LE, and I know they'll work on this car. So let's see what we got going on here. We're going to take some stuff out, show y'all what each of these bags are, explain to y'all what the differences are between the LE and the standard model. That's a body. If y'all seen my paint jobs on my other cars, this one's going to get a flip paint job from what I normally do, because this is going to be a day car, and my other car is going to be for my night races at Extreme. Alright, I'm pulling the bags out here. We're going to start with bag A. As soon as I get it out, I got my wing inserts and my body I'm just putting aside. Alright, there's bag A. Let's start with bag A. Bam! So it looks like right off the rip, bag A, we're going to be building some shocks. Ooh, this model comes with black shock caps. That excites me. I wish the rest of the shock was black too. But we got some black shock caps going on with this new car. Kind of glancing through the bag here to see if I see anything new inside there. No, it looks like they're standard shocks with black caps. Alright, now we're going to find bag D in here somewhere. There's D, I, M, H, E. There's bag B. Alright. Bag B. Looks like we got a set of diffs in there. So we've got front diff, rear diff, and center diff. There's my spur gear. And my ring and pinion gears, as well as the cups. All the spider gears. Seals, gaskets. Trying to see if I see anything different in there. No, just some bearings and stuff like that. So it looks like a common bag. Alright, let's find bag C. I already took it out. Alright, here's bag C. That's got some front arms in it. We've got our titanium inner hinge pin screws, and actually it looks like titanium outer hinge pin screws also for the hubs. Sweet. And that's got our bulkhead in it, front arms. Got our blocks inside there with our pills with the through holes in them. And I believe I got a set of pills that are yellow that'll get installed on this car. Alright, so that was bag C. Let's find bag D. Did I take it out already? No. There's bag D. Bag D. Alright. Bag D, front tower. We got carbon fiber insert for the front tower. That's something that the standard model normally don't come with. That's so we can adjust the tower height. Those of y'all that aren't familiar with the Mayako, we can adjust our tower height and we can adjust our diff height on these cars. There's a lot of adjustments that are very similar to running tent scale. We can do some pretty crazy tuning options in here. And then we got our titanium rods here, our camber rods. Alright, let's look for bag E. It's right here. Alright, we got bag E. Bag E, we've got some CVs. These would be our front CVs. We've got some more titanium screws, it looks like. We've got our carbon fiber here for our Ackerman plates. Our hexes for our front end. Bearings. And all that stuff. That was bag E. We'll go to bag F. Bag F and H are together. So, here's a little something for you guys. So, the LE comes with aluminum adjustable multi-piece rear hubs. Now, if you look inside here, these are our bearing spacers. You can see that they're adjustable up and down. So we can change the hub height or the wheel height, axle height of the car. Then we've got some pills here. These are also for the adjustable hubs. And our rear arms are also adjustable. So these are inserts probably for the arms. So we can adjust the wheelbase of the car. Let's see, that was bag F and H. This is also H. Let's go to bag G. So it's going to be the next solid one. Alright. Carbon fiber rear tower. Got our wing mount inside there. Got some more titanium inside there. Got all of our screws and our mounting hardware. Oh, that's even got a carbon fiber adjustable tower insert. Alright, and we'll go to the full bag H. That's going to have our rear universals, bearings. There's our multi-piece aluminum hubs with the adjustable hub height. All sorts of little goodies in there to put all that together. Comes with all sorts of washers for spacers. There's so much adjustment on this thing, it's stupid. They've actually been kind of scary thinking about putting these hubs together and trying to get it right. So I'll be doing some research on the Mayako Discord to see what JQ and the other drivers recommend for setting these rear hubs up. See, it's got the slots in there. That's where the pills go into the rear hubs, where it attaches to the rear arms. Alright, there should be a bag I. Nope, there's a bag F. Did I grab bag F yet? Nope, it's bag F. We skipped one. Alright, that's going to be our rear arms. Carbon fiber inserts for the rear arms, which I absolutely love on my cars. Kind of stiffens them up a little bit. We got some more carbon fiber inserts for our blocks. We got our rear bulkhead. And these rear arms have pill inserts going in the side of it. Like I said, we can adjust the width of the rear of the car. And we can also adjust the wheelbase a little bit using these hubs and everything we got. Let me see here. Alright, we got bag I. Alright, that's a common part right here for the Mayakos. That's a carbon fiber ESC plate. That's what we mount our ESC to keep it off the chassis of the car. We've got our battery mounts. If you look at my last build video, you see me put these together. There's your carbon fiber top plate for your center diff. We got some more of our red bushings, our red spacers, our red washers. These are all for tuning adjustments. Let me see here. The sliding motor mount is also in there, and the center diff mount. Black aluminum. Now, I'm going to show you a little something. Okay, so Mayako listens to their drivers and the people who test their cars and come up with good ideas. JQ a lot of times has people who come up with something neat. They'll design something, they'll send it to him, and he'll run with it. Well, this guy Taylor designed this one, and he put Taylor Design on there. It was also on my 24 car. He gives props to the people who come up with this stuff. So we got Taylor Design on this. The Ackerman plate is, I probably already pulled it out, but the Ackerman plate also has a name on it. The guy that designed that during prototyping sent a design into, actually, was that? Yes. So here's our Ackerman plate. Guy Deprez came up with this design in 2023 and sent it in. And what it is there's a little notch inside here. So in our top plate for our bell crank, there's a screw hole in there with threads in it, and you can run a M3 screw down through the top plate into this notch, and it holds the steering centered without having to turn your car on to be able to center your steering. So you can set your caster camber and all that stuff without using battery power and your servo. Alright, anyhow, bag J, we've got our bell crank assembly. Looks like steel posts. It's got all of our bell crank stuff in there, bearings, shafts, and our Ackerman plate. And then we got bag M. Bag M is going to be our front brace. It says Mayako on it. This has also got some more of our center brace stuff that goes to our hub and our center diff. And this also has my servo mount right here. Also done in black aluminum. And we've also got all the screws to mount it in there. So servo mounts multi-piece, you got to screw it together and then mount it. Comes in handy if you've got servos with wires that come out in weird places. Alright, then we got bag N. Bag N, that's the top plate for our battery mount. All carbon fiber. And then we've got our our classic plastic servo horns, which nobody uses plastic servo horns. They send them out just in case you desperately need something, but we're all using metal servo horns. And when I put this together, it'll have a metal servo horn. Alright, and then we've got our motor mount, which goes in our sliding mount. Also comes with a, looks like a 15 tooth, probably. I'm sure it's stamped on there somewhere. Anyhow, it looks like a 15 tooth pinion gear. That's bag N. Bag O. Alright. These are some tuning things. Alright, these are our diff spacers. We can raise the diff up. I think we can get up to 2mm on rear rear diff. I think we can go 1.5 or 2mm on the front. But here's some shock inserts for the arms. I've got some yellow ones I'll be putting in the car, possibly. Depends on how I do the colors on this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with all the yellow inserts or not on it. I may. Alright. What else we got here? Bag L, it was hiding in there, is upside down. It's not a whole lot in there. So that's going to be our titanium steering rods, our ends, and all of our spacers and balls to mount all that stuff, which there again, huge tuning advantage right there. Alright, we got bag K. I'm all out of order with this stuff, ain't I, guys? It's okay. Alright. We got a carbon fiber bell crank top plate. Black side guards. Black bumper. Long center dog bone. And all the screws to mount everything. And then we got our stainless steel chassis plates. I'll show y'all where those go here in a minute. All right. Does the chassis have a number on it? No, chassis don't have a number on it. All right, so 2025 Lighten chassis. It's been all cut out. Should be a few grams lighter than the 2024 that I'm running. Right there on the chassis we have the model, the year, and then we have a QR code. The QR code is so you can go onto the website and you can see the information on building the car and any relevant information that goes around for that. Also with the paperwork, there's a QR code there that takes you to the build website. They don't include a book with this. You have to have internet access to be able to build it. Alright, so we got a bag. OPB1 tuning options. It comes with 5. That's a 5, right? Yeah, 5 by 1.5 shock pistons. I'll be going with a valved piston inside there, so these won't get installed in here. They'll probably get thrown in my other car, and then I'll use the valve pistons in this one, being the new build. Or I may just run these for now and then order some. Alright, bag OPA1 comes with golden black springs and our sway bars. I've got different springs that I will be running on this car. I may throw these on to get it started and then order some springs also. I like to use the progressive silver on the front and progressive gray on the back on my car that I currently have. I'll build it according to spec with these probably to get it on the track and see how I like them. I found that the normal springs are just a little too rigid for my liking, especially after I've gotten used to the progressives. Now, OPD. These are option bags, by the way. Alright. Here's the cream of the crop right here. These are our front C hubs and our front steering hubs. As you can see, they're all aluminum. We've got our spacers for our bearings. Now, Mayako is one of the only brands that the car handles like a pillow ball. And the reason being is these hubs. One L1, so that means that this is camber 1, kingpin 1. It's a KP1, camber 1, or caster 1, excuse me. Not camber, we adjust the camber. Caster you can't really adjust on these things. So what this does is this kicks that kingpin back so far that it acts like a pillow ball car without having the pillow ball. You got the lower resistance of the C hub. There we go. There's your steering hubs. Our carbon fiber Ackerman plates go on there. Alright. Also comes with antenna, window mask, and a sticker sheet. I was going to show you where those stainless steel plates go on the chassis. I said I'd show that. So on the bottom